Hello everyone. Today is August 16th, 2024. It's Friday and welcome to Unday Radar Talks. Trump media and technology shares fell 1.67% on Thursday, with a trading volume of 4.6 million shares and a turnover rate of 7.08%. Both figures were significantly higher than the previous trading day, but lower than Tuesday, reflecting that the stock price is struggling at the level of $23.90. There seems to be a force to push the stock price up, but it is not strong. The short strongly blocked the stock price above $24 and performed very strongly, which may be unfavorable for the stock's future trend. On August 9th, the company reported a loss of more than $16 million in its second fiscal quarter, and a loss of $22.8 million in the second quarter of 2023. Revenue was less than $1 million, compared with $1.2 million in the same period last year. The company said that about half of the losses in the past quarter were due to legal expenses related to the merger of Trump Media and Digital World Acquisition Corporation. But the company said, with a strong balance sheet and zero debt burden, the company believes it has sufficient working capital to fund operations for the foreseeable future. After the company's second quarter earnings report was released, its stock price has fallen 10%. From the daily chart of the stock, we can see that $28.80 and $27 are both relatively concentrated levels of trading volume, but the stock price tried to rebound at these positions but failed. The closing prices of the last 3 trading days are again at the same level, and there is not much difference from last week's pattern, which seems to indicate that this level is still not the starting point of the rebound. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that on August 2nd, the stock rose 7%, and its capital net outflow was $8.7 million. But the next day, the stock price pulled back the previous day's gains, which marked that the stock price rebounded and entered the next wave of downward trend again. August 12th is also an important node, with a net outflow of $4.14 million and a significant increase in trading volume, which indicates that the stock price will continue to fall. On August 13th, its capital net inflow was $9 million, which is consistent with its trading volume performance. However, whether it is capital in or out, it seems that the net outflow amount in the next 2 trading days offsets the net inflow on that day. Although this calculation seems a bit unreasonable, the performance of the stock price also seems to reflect that the cumulative outflow of funds in the market in the past 3 days is more than the inflow. Of course, if we compare and analyze based on the amount of capital inflow, it seems that this amount of funds is not enough to serve as a rebound force. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that the position concentration at the level of $23.90 is not very large. The stock price has consolidated at this level for 3 trading days but has not brought many positions, which also reflects that the stock has not had much capital inflow in the market in the past 3 days. But the current stock price has not fallen below the lowest price created on August 13th, so the stock's performance in the future will determine whether it can stand firm at this position. But I think it is difficult because its trading volume and capital flow data do not show abnormalities. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. I am currently bearish on the stock. As for where the bottom is, this is indeed difficult to predict, because through the above technical analysis, I don't see any signs of a strong rebound in the stock. Based on the current downward momentum of the stock price may fall to $20 or even lower. Some articles point out that the current market value of the stock is $4.6 billion. If compared with the company's quarterly sales and profits, it seems that the stock price is too high. It sounds reasonable, but my point of view is purely based on technical predictions. In addition, earlier this week, former President Trump returned to X and shared several posts promoting his campaign. This move may be bad for his own social platform and its stock price. Okay, guys, this is my price prediction for Trump Media and Technology stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks later. See you in the next video.